Okay, so it's Sunday, the day after the Saturday blizzard, and we've stepped outside. We got over 2.5 feet of snow, which for Connecticut in one dump is quite a bit. You can hear people with snow blowers and snow plows shoveling out. I did clear out the coops 3 times yesterday and work on the driveway with the snow blower 3 times yesterday to keep ahead of it. And my snowplow guy came and finished up the rest of it. Unfortunately, now I have to go and clear out the rest of the chicken coops because the last snowfall was another 1/2 foot. So I did check on the bees, and ahead of the storm covered a couple of the hives. The bees are doing well in some of the hives, and just as an added precaution, I did cover them with a moving blanket. So as you can see, I have quite a bit of cleaning up to do. I have 8 runs, and this is 2 out of the 8. So here we go. So we started up the snowblower. It's 16 degrees, and what we're gonna do is make a path all the way around so that I can carry buckets of water all the way over there into the other 6 coops. It's quite a distance, and the snow is pretty deep. It's up to my knees, so we definitely need to try and make a path to make things easier. And then I don't know, the snow's kind of wet, so I don't think I'll be able to use the backpack blower today, because usually I would go into the coop areas and blow it out, but we'll see. I'll know when I'm using the machine. Okay, so we made the path, and you can see why I have a snowblower. Trying to dig all this out just to get to walk down the path to dig everything out, I would be exhausted. You can see where the snowblower went, all the way over there, and back into the other area. So now I get to move the snow out of the way and hopefully get the chickens out. And aren't we having fun? It's still better than heat and humidity in Florida. I'll take this any day.